Let's learn how you can change font size on your RedNote application. So let us start by opening our RedNote. Then you will have to click on three horizontal lines in top left corner and then on settings, this gear icon. Then you will have to click on general settings section. It will lead you to settings page. You will see here display section, and in the middle of it you will see font size option. Now it will open you a new menu. So this text on top will be some preview of the font size. I think RedNote is set by smallest on default, so you can just drag on the middle or drag on the biggest one. You can see the text getting large and large. So that's it. When you're done, you will just have to click on this red letters in top right corner and you're finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.